first Advent, and I'm kind of late of making my Advent candles, table decor. So I have this ground decor, which I have like now 3-4 years, and I normally I prepared it like this, and when the Christmas is over, I remove most of the things and I leave it like this for the next year, for the next Christmas. That way I can put new candles and everything I want the way I want it in different colors. So normally I always have different colors. To this year I have gray. So we're going to start decorating our Advent decor. I have this like moose grass, which I'm going to put in between. This year I just decided to try something different. So like you see, I'm going to put in between where space is. That's where it fills the gap. And then after that I will be adding some, yeah, this is kind nasty work. So that's how I fill this gap. I could use more, I think, but I'm going to leave it that way to fill in with the other greens here I have, and I'm going to be filling in cutting them a little bit, that way I can fill them in nicely. I think I should make them a little bit smaller, like that. Yes, that way. Too big, I don't need it. So you know, when now after I put the grass and this grass, and I put this in, they hold really well. We're just filling everything in for our decor to look good. The thing is, I have to change them. I think I will have to change them before Christmas, because I'm sure until Christmas they will be dry. That's how things are, and we can't change the nature because these are fresh. And yeah, they just need their natural way to live, like us, breathe water and else. But here is everything dry, but yeah, they look good. And I'm going just to put them inside, as you can see. Add more. add more here. Yes, I think it's looking good. So after that, I'm going to add my beautiful colored artificial roses. Just, you know, to bring some color in here. So after that, I'm going to add my candles. I have gray candles, just plain gray. This is my motto, which I'm combining gray with different colors this year. So okay, I think it looks really amazing. And now I'm going to add my beautiful lights. So I think I will add them from outside. And at last, I'm going to add my star at the middle. That's supposed to be sitting over there. And just putting the light under the green decor. I think it's better. With this small stuff, that's always not easy. You don't know what correct way you should put this, but they're supposed just to be on top. So after that, we're going to add our batteries. So I'm going to add the battery on it. So here we go. Our decor is done. Let me put these lights off, that way you can see how beautiful is that. Oh my god, what do you think? It's really beautiful. Wow, I love it. Every year I do this, I just fall in love with it all the time. All the time. I fall in love every time I make this every year. Because every year it's always beautiful and beautiful. And with the gray color, I think it's popping up really well. So, I hope you enjoy watching the tutorial, how I make my Christmas decor wrap for my table. So I'm going to light on my first candle and I will see you. So this is my table with my amazing decor. I hope you enjoy as much as I enjoy. See you later.